Welcome back, everyone. I have a lot for y'all today. I know y'all are expecting the race, but the track is under maintenance and it'll be good today, and I will make that video tonight and have it for y'all for Friday's episode. But yeah, again, I apologize for that. It's kind of hard to have a track that somebody jumped on and have it working right. So it's under maintenance. It'll be fixed today, and we will race tonight. That is not going anywhere. So today we have 3 Strixhaven 12 card set booster packs. We got 3 of those, and I'm going to compare them to the draft packs. So these come with 15 cards. These come with 12. These cost less than these. So I've been having more fun with these draft packs. I've been getting some really good stuff, like, who is it? I pulled this guy. It's pretty dope. With the Planeswalker on the back. And then I have, I don't know where the other one is, but I have 2 of these. I think I put it, it's in my binder. Yeah, the other one's in my binder, but I got 2 of these. It's pretty cool. So I pulled those out of the draft. But before we open these, I gotta show you some amazing stuff that I've found this week. I now have the 2018 Honda Civic Type R Super Treasure Hunt. As you can tell from the real riders, their rubber wheels, the Spectraflame paint, the TH symbol right there. And you can't see it, but under the car there is a gold circle. So this is currently, from what I've been seeing on eBay, they're running about $100 each. You can probably get them for $90, $85 at the least. But I actually have another one right here. That's 2. And to make it even better, I have a 3rd one. So I have one for sale. I have already got one. The one that's in the case is going in for a trade. I'm trading for the Golf Porsche, which is going to be nice. And then I'm keeping one. So with the that's the K cases that have been dropping at Walmart, along with the newest set of Zamax. You have the BMW M3 GT2, the 17 Ford GT Zamac. These are all Zamac, and this is my favorite right here, the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo Zamac. Completely raw. Even the card art is beautiful. Yeah, that is awesome. So these K cases are coming with these. So you get a set. I picked up just maybe 2 sets. And then here is your treasure hunt with the emblem right there. It is the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And you can see the silver circle behind it right there on the card itself. So yeah, this is dope. Actually, I got a few of these now. I love the Miatas. So, all right, now let's do comparisons between these 2 packs. Let's get them all opened up so that I don't have to be doing this later. All right, we got those 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's see what is worth my money, the draft packs or the set boosters. So 12 cards in each and 15 cards in each of these. So we'll start with draft. Now the only thing is that these drafts, you're not guaranteed a holo, but you're guaranteed everything else. So there's usually about 10 basics or 10 commons, 3 uncommons, and then 1 either mythic or rare, and then the I still can't remember what they call them, but those the set within a set. All right, so Honor Troll, Zimone, solve the equation, and for our rare, oh, it's a mythic, Harness Infinity. That's pretty cool. And then yeah, I forget what they call these cards, but each pack comes with one of these. Village Rites. And then behind this, you could have a possibility of getting a holo. So put all that right there. A Mystic Archives, that's what it is. So yeah, alright. So far we have a mythic from the draft. And let's see what we can get. Now these have art cards, which is pretty cool. And they have a land. Alright, so let's see what we can get from this. These are kind of more random. I don't know. I think they have more rare cards. Okay, Humiliate. Okay, first rare, multiple choice, Mystic Archive, and then our holo. Oh, we got 2. Oh yeah, and then I forget that they throw these in here. These are cards from the list. Looks like this one's from 2009, and it's a mythic. I'll read this later. Y'all can look at it now. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, and then we put our holo right there. Alright. So far, the mythic, well, technically that was a mythic. We've gotten 2 mythics right out the gate. And these come with a token. Alright. Put you there. See, like 1, I think there's 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and then 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, and then here is our rare Mystic Archive, and that was it. Alright. Back to the set booster. These have a token, which we'll throw there, and the art. Pretty cool. And our land. Alright, let's see what we can get. Alright, to our uncommons now. And then our rare. Multiple choice again. Divine Gambit and Waterfall Aerialist. Those are holo. Alright. Last go with this. I'm looking for Professor Onyx. That's the one card that I really want. And then I think I forget the name of it, but there's a card in the Mystic Archive that I want. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Zimone. Clever. Alright, here we go with something cool. That's our rare. Eliminate. And our holo is Square Up. Oh, put that over there. And our last go around with this. Looks like we got a double of the artwork. And our land, our back card, pest. Put that there. And let's see how we do with our last pack. There was 2. Alright. Okay, here we go. Ooh, our rare U and our hollow. To be honest, that wasn't too great. But I'll have to go through these, see what I don't have. But I will see y'all tomorrow, and I will upload that race. We will get it done, and we will find a winner. So I will see y'all tomorrow.